Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. And I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you yet another New Year's Eve or New Year eye makeup look. Super easy, super glam with rhinestones. We are going to bid adieu to 2019 in style. So if you are ready, let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that well and then set that with Colourpop setting powder in translucent. The newest product in my kitty is this Rimmel's Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner into shadow. So you can use it as a liner and you can use it as a shadow as well by just blending it with your finger. So I'm going to use this beautiful purple shade from that. It's a shimmery shade, so it has tiny particles, glitter particles in it, and I'm going to create a nice pink liner. So I have purchased even orange and a beautiful bright blue from the same range. And next, for those rhinestones, I'm going to use this beautiful multicolored rhinestones, and I'm going to use some lash glue and then stick them onto my liner. I'm going to leave a gap between each rhinestone, and once I'm done, I'm going to do that off camera, and this is how it looks like once it's done. I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use a shade called Sissy. It's a beautiful pinky shimmer shade, and I'm going to blend it all over my lid. No, I'm not going to blend that. I'm going to add that all over my lid. And once I'm done with that, for that crease, I felt I need something in my crease area as well. I'm going to use Colourpop's Ooh La La palette, and I'm going to use that nice pink shade all over my crease. So I'm going to blend that well. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner, and I'm going to line my upper and low waterline with the same Kohl liner. And then I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsessions palette, and I'm going to use that beautiful glittery green, and I'm going to use that to smoke out my low waterline because I need to add some color. I know I do a lot of colorful looks, but because I love color, it's as simple as that. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Merry Luminizer by Balm Cosmetics, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner with that. And then I'm going to curl my lashes. Be careful while curling your lashes, you might, or a rhinestone might come out like it did for me. And you can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. And yeah, because I like my natural lashes. I completely forgot to do my brows, so I'm just filling in the sparse areas of my brows, just filling in lightly. And once I'm done with that, this is the final look, you guys. A easy, colorful rhinestone liner with a pop of green, perfect for New Year's. You're going to bid adieu to 2019 in style, and may New Year bring a lot of happiness and prosperity in all your lives. And please, if you enjoy watching this tutorial, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. There are many videos on my channel. I'm going to link some of them here. If you're interested, then please go and check out my channel and hit the subscribe button and help me grow. And yeah, and I'll meet you straight next year. Take care. Bye bye.